Hey, welcome back to my channel. Gonna get some flight video for you here. We're out at the field. You see that top board right there? That is the Runcam DVR. So we got that set up with the SD card in it. And I actually wired it so that it will, as soon as I arm the quadcopter, it'll start recording. When I disarm the quadcopter, it'll stop recording. So it'll go directly from the camera into that DVR. So this video won't have OSD and it won't be going through the VTX into the Fat Shark DVR, which that's the only thing I've had so far. So let's rip, and don't make fun of me. If you have any negative comments or something, put it on someone else's channel.